we will discuss detail about modals. In the last class, I have given you omission. So now answer is given to you. It is written on this board, and first sentence was walking very beneficial. In the first sentence, walking is very. In second, early in the morning, that is given. In C number, for a walk. In C, for a walk. And D number, that is and a pleasure. And a pleasure. We are going to study modals. I have given you definition of modal and some rules I have given to you about modals. I am going to repeat the main rules. Modal never comes alone. That means that after modal, one verb is compulsory. I can do this work. After can, do is written. And second, that is after modal, V1 must be written. V1 is used. You could play cricket. Could play. Could is represents past habit, but play must be written. You could play cricket. So there are two compulsory rules are given, and the first modal that is given to you is can. C-A-N. Can. As you know very well, can represent, that is ability. For ability, can is used. I can do it. So here can present ability. In another use of can is, that is permission. Permission. There are two types of permission: asking permission and giving permission. In asking permission, that is, can I do it? This is asking permission. You can go now. That is giving permission. So can is used in asking permission and giving permission. So an ability. There is next modal is could. As you know, there isn't any rule of present, past or any tense regarding modal. But when you do narration, in narration you have already studied that instead of can, in indirect could is used. That is, in indirect speech, he said he could help us. In indirect speech, he said he could help us. Instead of can, you can use, instead of can, could is used. In B, the second is that past habit. Past habit means earlier habit. I could lift this box. I could lift this box. That means presently I cannot lift this box, but in past I could lift this box. So this could is here given for the past habit. You could eat 10 eggs when you were 10. When you were 10, that is given your past habits. So can and could is used for past habit. There is in certain case, not always, could is also used for polite request. Polite request, could you please give me your pen? For polite request, could is used. Could you give me your pen? So this is related to politeness. Next modal is may. May, in first, may is used for permission, for asking permission and for giving permission. May I come in, sir? This is asking permission. You may go now. This is giving permission. In B, may is used for possibility. For possibility, it may rain today. And next, possibility, it may rain today. And next is wish. Wish, may you get good marks. That is wish. May you get good marks. So for permission, for possibility, for wish, in wish the sign of exclamation must be used. After wish, might, after may, might is used. As I have already told you that when you do narration, might is used for may. So first, in indirect speech, might is used. He said that he might help you. In indirect speech, instead of may, might is used. Second is, that is possibility. In possibility, it might rain today. It might rain today. In may also, it may rain today is given, and in it might rain today. If there is more possibility, you have to use more. If there is less possibility, then you have to use might. Next, I will give you, that is a jumble, and you will solve this jumble. The first jumble is remarkable. You write it remarkable slash is a truly metal platinum. Remarkable is a truly metal platinum. B is the earth on edge the rarest of platinum, metals one. The earth on is the rarest of platinum, metals one. Next, C, chemical is a with a PT, capital P and a small t, PT symbol element. Thank you. Have a nice day.